Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we are diving deep into NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 24th of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 24th of April, 2025, our system has ranked NIO as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.88. Now, let's examine the stock's performance throughout this timeframe. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the coming days. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential decreases within this trend. The present 3-month trend suggests a possible change of approximately negative 14.68% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from negative 38.95% to negative 2.03%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis points to an expected change of negative 10.8%. Our calculations indicate that the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 34.15% and positive 44.12% over the coming year. In current terms, this would imply a future price between $2.75 and $6.02. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline, NIO stock price up more than 6.36% on Thursday. The NIO stock price gained 6.36% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 24th of April, 2025, rising from $3.93 to $4.18. It has now gained for 5 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 7.61%, with a low of $3.94 and a high of $4.24. The price has increased in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 26.28% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has also increased on the last day, alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 10 million more shares were traded than the previous day, with 55 million shares bought and sold for approximately $228,900,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $7.71, and the lowest price was $3.02. Currently, the price is 45.78%, or $3.53, below the 52-week high, and 93.76%, or $62.81, below the all-time high on January 11, 2021, when the price reached $66.99. NIO's stock has experienced a notable increase this week, supported by positive market sentiment and resilience against tariff-driven volatility affecting the automotive sector. Remarkably, NIO's shares have risen for 8 consecutive days, reaching their highest point since early April. This rally indicates that investors are taking advantage of recent price dips, reinforcing confidence in the stock's recovery trajectory. Furthermore, strong indications from NIO's CEO emphasize an optimistic outlook for breaking even by the 4th quarter of 2025, which could enhance investor trust and stabilize stock performance over the long term. As NIO prepares for the launch of its Firefly electric vehicle in Europe later this year, this expansion into new markets could offer a crucial growth opportunity amid intense competition in the electric vehicle landscape. However, the ongoing pressure from tariffs and competition remains a double-edged sword. While it poses challenges, it also drives NIO to innovate and improve margins, which is beneficial for long-term growth. Wall Street's varied price targets reflect cautious optimism, particularly considering NIO's ambitious goals. As the company aims to achieve its 2025 objectives, successful execution could attract further investment, positioning NIO advantageously in a highly competitive market as it navigates both short-term volatility and long-term aspirations. Overall, while current developments are having a positive impact on NIO's stock in the near term, the lasting success will depend on the company's ability to adapt and thrive amid industry challenges. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight grade with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Macquarie assigned NIO an outperform grade with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned NIO an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned NIO stock a general sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts also rate the stock with a strong sell assessment. The following signals have been identified for NIO. The chart today shows predominantly positive signals. NIO stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which suggests an optimistic outlook for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal stemming from the relationship between these averages, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of downward corrections, we can expect some support from the levels at $3.73 and $4.10. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and since then, the stock has increased by 33.12%. Further gains are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Importantly, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical signal. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots indicated a buy signal 12 days ago. Bollinger also presented a buy signal 32 days ago. The short-term moving average showed a buy signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 21 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a sell signal 25 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 16 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $3.98. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock experiences significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 0.3% between its high and low, which is a change of 7.61%. During the past week, the average daily volatility of the stock was 4.64%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NIO, let's quickly review some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, if a company consistently reports negative PE ratios, it may suggest insufficient profitability and could raise concerns about bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of June, 2025. Analysts currently estimate a loss of 22 cents per share. It is essential to monitor these figures closely, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $4.44. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NIO encounters its first support level at $3.98. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. conducted an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Our recommended stop loss is set at $4.02, reflecting a decrease of 3.76%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a higher level of risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 11 days ago. Is NIO stock a good buy? Several short-term signals indicate positive trends. Despite the stock being in a declining pattern, we believe the current price level might present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the stock to perform well in the near term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold or accumulate recommendation to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our system suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 25th of April, we anticipate that NIO will open lower by 6 cents and commence trading at $4.12. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.